To replace the backrest or chair base, the first thing we need to do is remove the head pillow. Next, we'll reach underneath the bottom of the backrest to detach the two flaps containing hook and loop fasteners that secure the backrest to the chair base. Next, we'll unplug the chair and tip it forward onto its front. Next, we'll disconnect the backrest heater cable. And then detach the bottom of the backrest upholstery from the frame, which gives us access to the 4 screws that secure the backrest to the chair base. Next, we need to hold down that lower part of the backrest frame firmly while we use a 5mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws. Okay, then we can remove the backrest from the chair. To install the new backrest or chair base, then we need that chair base positioned on its front, and we can align the 4 screw holes on the back of the backrest with the corresponding screw holes on the chair base. Okay, again, while holding the backrest into position, we can replace those 4 screws to secure it. Okay, once those screws are nice and tight, we can connect the backrest heater cable. Tuck that cable back in behind that cloth cover there. And we're ready to stretch that upholstered flap down over the frame, around the corners, pulling it nice and straight, and then securing it using the hook and loop fasteners along both the sides and the bottom. Okay, then we can return the chair to the upright position. Next, we can push those two flaps on the bottom of the backrest through and attach them to the bottom of the chair. And finally, we can replace the head pillow. And plug in the chair and we're done.